Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your career readiness with Handshake step by step clearly. Sign up for an account on Handshake by visiting their website. Use your school email to create a profile, ensuring your information is accurate. Complete your profile by adding your education, skills, and work experience. Upload a professional profile picture that reflects your career aspirations. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. Browse job listings tailored to your interests and qualifications. Apply filters to refine job searches based on location, job type, or industry. Save jobs that interest you for later consideration. Follow companies that align with your career goals to stay updated on job openings. Engage with your college career center via Handshake for personalized resources. Participate in virtual career fairs hosted on the platform to network with employers. Prepare for interviews by accessing Handshake's resources and tips. Connect with peers and professionals via Handshake's community feature. Request informational interviews with alumni or industry professionals. Stay active by regularly checking for new job postings and updates. Track your applications to manage follow-ups effectively. Utilize Handshake's analytics to assess your job application progress. Join relevant groups or forums to expand your network and gain insights. Update your profile regularly with new skills or experiences. Seek feedback from career advisors on your resume and cover letter through Handshake. Leverage Handshake's resources to refine your job search strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.